What's up guys, Chad here with Tech in the Wild. Today we're going to be checking out the Sunyear 2-person hammock with the Rainfly. I've owned plenty of tents, but I've never taken a hammock camping. We'll set it up in the mountains, test how 2 people actually fit, try some alternate uses, and run through lightweight tech that pairs with it. Let's get into it. So I've owned a lot of tents, but never a hammock. I was curious, what are the real benefits and what are the trade-offs? We headed up for a camping trip video and I thought I might as well capture this setup while we're up there. I also filmed a dry run at home and it was honestly pretty boring, so consider that your spoiler. The setup is pretty simple. This is the Sunyear 2-person hammock, about $120 at the time of filming. It's rated to 600 pounds max and the kit is about 6 pounds total. 3 pounds 8 ounces for the hammock and 2 pounds 8 ounces for the Rainfly. For comparison, typical ultralight tents are 1 to 2 pounds, but they can cost anywhere from $200 to $700 or more. Sunyear also makes other options, like a single person hammock without the Rainfly for $50, weighing at 2.7 pounds, or the single again with the Rainfly for $100 at 5 pounds total. Both of these are rated at 500 pounds. I picked the 2-person hammock with the Rainfly because the extra capacity and options made sense for us. We found some special trees right here and over there. That's going to be perfect to put the hammock up. Haiti found it, so it's the right place. Because I can't find the right place, but she found it, so we're good. Let's watch the setup with a timer and I'll speed up the video. I'm using the included tree straps. The goal is a comfortable sag. Imagine a smiley face, not a tight flat line. Now I'm fishing the support poles into the slots of the bug net part of the hammock. We're going to end up at about 5 minutes. All right, you get in first so that if it falls, you get hurt and I can carry us out of here. Go ahead.
It's good.
Feels good?
Yes. A la ruru niña, a la ruru ya. Wait.
Do you think this would be comfortable to sleep with 2 people?
No. I don't think so.
Here, let me try putting my arm around you.
We have to take it to Wagga. Oh, that's nice.
Oh yeah, on the beach. Although 2 people inside feel awkward at first, the fabric does feel sturdy, and the included netting is a big perk if you're in mosquito season. Up here there weren't any bugs, so here's a flashback to the home test. Same hammock, no bites. Back to the big question, can 2 people actually fit? For lounging, yes. For an overnight, you'll definitely want to coordinate positions. A slightly offset head-to-shoulder cuddle worked for us, but if you're a toss and turn type of person, it may feel restricting to sleep overnight in. We landed on it being better for just napping at the beach or in the mountains. For now, we'll just relax and enjoy the mountain view. Teardown is even faster, about 3.5 minutes, and everything slides back into the carry bag without a fight. The packed size is day hike friendly, especially if you're splitting the load with a partner. This model comes with a tent, to go over to protect you from any of the rain coming down. It was not film friendly, so I just put it up, but I'll walk through it. You know, it's optional. If you're not expecting rain, you don't need it, but it's definitely good to have, since the bug screen breeze through, you're going to get water coming down on you. You got the guy line. Pretty easy. It's all threaded through. And then, just like any other tent, you got the support strings to lock it down, keep it all straight. It seems to do pretty good. It was a little windy before, so it held up pretty good. The other cool thing, it has these two zippers here. Flip this up and over, and that just makes it a little easier to get inside the hammock here. I will say, you definitely need two hands to zip it down because there's so much tension, so I'm not going to put you through the pain of me trying to film and do that at the same time. The Rainfly can be used for other options too. Over the hammock it's obvious, rain and wind protection, but as a freestanding tarp, it's great gear shelter or just shade at the beach. If you're hunting or on a long hike, that extra covered space for firewood and packs can be super handy. Now, I'm sure Sunyear didn't exactly market it this way, but for hunting you can improvise the hammock into a game bag. I tried hoisting it, which technically worked, and okay, yeah, we're a little close to the ground. Give me points for creativity, not for clearance. This headlamp has a light bar and a spotlight that can switch brightness levels, but its hand motion on-off is clutch when your hands are dirty, gloved, or occupied. It's very lightweight and USB rechargeable, which keeps the kit simple. Oh, and if you hold the mode button, it has a strobe effect as well. Now, this slide is a flashlight and lantern combo. It's handy if you're cooking or just need light around you. I run lower brightness for battery life. It also has a red light. The red light helps preserve night vision because your retinal rods, or the cells that do low light seeing, are less sensitive to red light, which has a longer wavelength. If you blast your eyes with a bright white light, your cones take over, which can wash out peripheral night vision for a while. Try this at home when you're laying in bed at the end of the night, and notice how after 20 to 30 minutes you can see more things around the room because your eyes adjust. Then, take a look at your phone or a bright light just for a second and see the difference. All of a sudden you can't see anything. So, red light to conserve night vision, good. It's also USB-C rechargeable and can act as a battery bank to charge your phone or other devices. Lastly, we have a USB rechargeable bug zapper. It's extra peace of mind when the mosquitoes or flies show up. And this thing does awesome. It also has a white LED light mode or a color changing mode if, you like to kill bugs and party at the same time. So, let's do a recap. It's quick to set up, it's comfortable for relaxing, And the Rainfly makes it versatile. It's heavier than an ultralight, and you need cooperative trees. But for the price and the options, it's been a fun add to our kit. If this helped you, hit that like button, and drop your hammock tips or fails in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you like this video, hit that like button and click subscribe. Click the bell icon so you can be notified every Sunday when we release new videos. And as always, thanks for watching.